Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show how I completed a watch that didn't have a movement inside. This is a diesel oversized men's watch. On the case back we can see the watch model DZ-1262, 50 meters water resistance, and the Diesel Brave logo. Inside the case I also found a white plastic movement holder. So I decided to make this watch complete. And there are parts that I have: case, dial, hands, stem and crown, but no movement and no bend. The movement model that goes with this watch could be found on the opposite side of the dial. It is there, and it is written as 10S2. It is a Miyota movement and I bought it a long time ago. The movement came with two stems and the battery. The stem is definitely too short for the oversized dial, and I need to remove the stem, otherwise the crown would be under the dial and I could not fully insert the movement. Dial feet go to dedicated holes in the movement very smoothly. Trying to insert the stem, but it seems like that is too short, so I'm going to extend it using a specially designed stem extender. With the extender the total size of the stem would be too long, but I cannot to cut out some length from the stem because it doesn't have threads over its length. So I need to use the second stem, which came with the movement, and it has threads over all its length. I will cut the stem about in this place, and the rest of the cut will be done on the extender. I need to file the end of the stem, so it will go smoothly into the extender. Inserting the stem and making measurement of how much to cut the extender. Removing the stem and then unscrewing the crown. Marking the place for the cut. And cut. Filing again. Using the thread locker to make sure the stem will be held inside the crown. checking it out. Looks good. Now I need to find the midnight point to install the hands at the proper positions. I need to remove the dial from the case to be able to install the hands. Our hand goes first. I'm using this tip from the hand installer tool. Pointing the hour hand at the 12 o'clock position. Now installing the minute hand. Checking if hands go around without touching the dial. And next is the second hand. But it doesn't start to move as expected. It must be expired battery. And after replacing the battery, watch starts to work. Last thing is to install the band, which I had as a spare in my drawer. It might be not exactly for this watch model, but it is a diesel band and it fits the lugs of the case and it looks pretty good. My goal was to make this watch complete, and I achieved the goal. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, give it a like, leave comments and subscribe to the channel. And until the next time, goodbye.